Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view followers and following on TradingView app. And now let's dive right in. Now to view your followers and the people you're following on the TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app and make sure you're logged into your TradingView account on your phone on the TradingView app. And when you open it, you land on this interface where you can see the three lined icons at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three lined icon at the bottom right corner, and you can see on this profile, guys, here are the followers and following showing us. I've got currently none following and I'm not following anybody, so there is the 0 followers and 0 following for me. And in your case, if you have followed somebody, or if somebody has been following you, then they will pop up right here and the number of followers will be shown. With that being said, guys, this is how to view followers and following on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.